5 secrets of reading secret attraction. Number 1, if someone's feet point toward you even when they are talking to someone else, you are the person they are mentally focused on. Number 2, frequent accidental touches on the arm or shoulder are never accidental. They are testing your boundaries for intimacy. Number 3, if a person mimics your unique slang or hand gestures, they are subconsciously trying to bond with your identity. Number 4, look at their pupils. They dilate when looking at something or someone they desire. The eyes never lie. Number 5, if someone remembers a tiny detail you mentioned weeks ago, they aren't just polite, they are invested in you. Want to know their heart? Type heart to unlock more.